US investment giant Vanguard has marked down Ola Consumer's valuation to around $70 million. That is nearly 99% below its peak valuation of $7.3 billion. There was, of course, a time when Ola represented India's startup dream, a homegrown company taking on global competition. Investors loved the narrative and the story, and the capital consequently poured in. At its peak, Ola Consumer was valued at around $7.3 billion. But the years that followed proved far more challenging. Competition intensified, the mobility market evolved, consumer behavior changed, and the company increasingly shifted its focus toward newer ventures, including electric mobility. Today, one of its biggest backers values the company at just $70 million, a stunning fall for a business that was once worth more than $7 billion. Now, Vanguard's latest valuation update has put Ola Consumer's estimated worth at roughly that figure I just mentioned, which is $70 million, which is not so much a public market valuation. It is one of the sharpest markdowns ever seen for a major Indian startup. Now, to put that into perspective, one of India's most valuable startups is being valued at less than 1% of its peak worth. Part of the story is that the spotlight within the Ola ecosystem has gradually moved elsewhere, particularly toward Ola Electric. Ride-hailing business once dominated conversations around the company. Investor attention has, increasingly focused on electric vehicles, manufacturing and battery ambitions. As on date, Ola Electric commands far more attention from markets than the original ride-hailing platform that actually started it all. But why should it matter? Well, that's because Ola wasn't just another startup for us. It was one of the defining companies of India's startup boom. For an entire generation of founders and investors, Ola symbolized the rise of Indian consumer technology, which is why this valuation has attracted a lot of attention across the startup ecosystem. Not so much because of the so-called number, but because of how dramatically the company's fortunes have changed. And here, of course, is the front page take. Ola helped define India's startup era. It built one of the country's most recognizable brands. It raised billions and challenged global competitors. And of course, it inspired a generation of entrepreneurs. Today, unfortunately, Vanguard's valuation update serves as a reminder of Ola's turbulent journey. It is a testament, a reminder that building a company is one thing, sustaining it is another. What are your thoughts? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.